October the 9th, 2011. Nova Scotia is blessed with an abundance of overabundance sites of natural beauty. But there are a few to compare with Polletts Cove. That's looking up toward the northern tip. We're north of the Cape Breton Highlands National Park. The wilderness protected area is all behind us. Look at that. Look at those hills, look at that valley. There are tons of people camped down there. It's a rugged hike to get in. We're still 500 meters above it on the long grassy field. But I have to tell you, if you want to see just probably, people often ask me what my favorite is. What is my favorite? Well, I wouldn't be far wrong to tell them it's Polletts Cove. This is, and I hope always will be, a very, very special place.